Thank you for joining us today and learning how to file a malt beverage tax report on MyPath. This is a logged-in function, meaning you will have to have an existing MyPath profile. If you have not yet set up your profile, please see our 411 video on creating a primary profile in MyPath. First, go to mypath.pa.gov and locate the black logon box near the top of the screen. Enter your username and password, then click the Logon button. Once logged on, select the View Returns and Periods hyperlink, then select the File Now link to begin. If at any point during your filing you need to stop and come back, please use the Save Draft button at the bottom left of the screen. If you need to go back to a prior section, please use the Previous button near the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You will then need to answer questions regarding sales activity using the yes or no buttons listed on this first page. Select Next. If you have taxable product to report, you will enter that information here. Select the product size by using the drop-down list. If the size you need is not listed in the standard size drop-down list, select Other from the drop-down. Enter the taxable units in the unit tax rate and total taxable unit columns. Repeat this step as many times as needed to complete this section of the report. When you've entered all taxable units, select Next. Next, you will need to enter information regarding your monthly inventory. Once you've completed your inventory, click Next. Add applicable schedules here by selecting the Add link in the Attachment section. Select the type, then click Choose File to upload your file from your computer. The next page will reflect claimed credits, malt beverage tax credits, and education tax credits. Claimed credits and malt beverage tax credits will be pre-populated on their respective lines based on what the department records reflect. Education credits that have been awarded to you may be claimed by keying in the desired amount on line C. Please note that the credit amount cannot exceed the tax due. You will then be taken to a review screen, which will show you a summary of the information that you have reported. If everything looks correct, click Next to finalize. If you need to revise a section, click the Previous button to go back. If a tax payment is owed, you may submit it electronically with your return. Once the return has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation number for the submission. If you need to make adjustments to your submission, you may do so by selecting the View Submission link and then selecting the Continue Editing link. You may make adjustments to your submission until the return has been processed by the department, usually within 24 hours of submission. Once the submission has been processed, you can file an amended return through MyPath.